Hi, it's Dan from Farol's. I'm going to talk through Harvey Smart today, available on John Deere combines. You have this little black button here with the auto next to it. Chances are you've got Harvey Smart. So to engage Harvey Smart, if we press the button, there's three options we can run this in. We've got mode, capacity, we can switch it off completely. We've got mode smart as well. So to get those, we just cycle the black button, press it, and it will change the mode. So to start with, I'll talk you through smart as smart mode, Harvey Smart. So what Harvey Smart is doing, this is driving the combine in the smart mode on losses. So we're using the loss monitors here, and what we'll be doing is we'll push forward, find a point where we're happy, where the loss monitor is reading at an acceptable level, and we'll click calibrate, press it in there. Okay, just one thing to be aware of, we've got this arrow and dot here, which means it's a setting. Come into this, we can set a max harvest speed in there of 6.2 miles an hour. You might want to make that higher, you might want to make that lower. If you find the combine running away from you, chances are you may want to reduce this maximum harvest speed. We've also got sensitivity on here as well, so we can make that more or less sensitive there by increasing that number. Okay, so if you've got a very thick and very consistent crop, you may be able to increase the sensitivity. If you've got a crop that is very inconsistent, you might want to just reduce that sensitivity a little bit so you don't feel the machine speeding up or slowing down aggressively.